In today's video, I'm going to do something different. Share a little kitchen tip with you. How you can dry curry leaves in just 2 minutes and then store it for years. Before you start, wash your curry leaves thoroughly and pat them dry. Next, take them off the stems. Before I discovered this little tip in the kitchen, I used to dry curry leaves by pouring it on a paper towel, spreading it nicely and covering it with another paper towel, and this way it would take around 2 days to dry up. But no, I don't do this anymore because of my air fryer friend. So just pour the curry leaves in the air fryer basket and no, don't do this. The leaves are going to fly up and stick to the electric coil and burn. Wonder why I know this so well. I didn't make this mistake. No, I did. Okay, so to prevent them from flying, put them under the basket. Genius tip, right? It works super well. So put the basket into the air fryer, no preheating required, nothing, just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, take it out and beautifully dry curry leaves. Let me pour it out and show it to you. They are so dry that you can just crush it in your palms and you have curry leaf powder. How amazing is this? You can basically store the leaves or the powder in an airtight jar for years together. I hope this was helpful. If you're on any of these different social media sites, do follow me. And for written recipes, visit my blog. All the links are in the description. Do visit some of the recipes on my channel, and if you like them, subscribe. I post exciting recipes every week. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified as soon as I post my next recipe. Alright then, see you next week. Bye-bye.